lab is mostly white color, and yeah, so we wanted like to add some colors to our boring lives. Welcome to our comfort zone. My name is Hui Ying and I'm a specimen management specialist. And I'm doing this interview alone because my husband is camera shy, so he refused to be featured. I choose to purchase a flat here in Teck Whye because it's near to my in-laws. We didn't really have any inspiration, so we just put together everything that we like. For our living area, we don't have a sofa, we have armchair instead. It was inspired by a movie, because the movie character, the living room, they don't have a sofa as well, they only have 2 armchairs. So for the kitchen, because I really wanted an island, so we have an island and a normal kitchen countertop. So for the colors, we chose our favorite color. So Calvin's favorite color is green, while my favorite color is pink. So we use these 2 contrasting yet complementary colors for our kitchen. It's more colorful than the usual house you can see out there. So I think this might be due to the fact that we work in lab. Lab is mostly white color, and yeah, so we wanted to add some colors to our boring life. So that's why we chose to have pastel color. For the common area, we chose brighter and pastel color because it's open concept, so we want everything to look bright. But then for the private zone, right, we chose more dull and not so bright colors to create a cozy vibe for bedroom. Yeah. My home net worth is around 100k, 70k on the renovation and 30k on furniture, appliances and the rest. I think I love the kitchen area the most because I like petboard. It's a dream come true for me because I've been stalking a lot of online websites and I saw a lot of nice petboard designs. I like how I can customize everything because I can change all the pet and decorate how I like it. So I like the flexibility. So the one nearer to the entrance, where I use it to store our bags, and also we have a small mirror to have a last check before we leave the house. If we spend around $500 shipping this whole petboard and all the accessory from overseas. Since we don't really have a need for one extra room, so we decided to convert one room into the wardrobe room. We think it will be quite cool to have a fake wardrobe look from the outside, but when you open, you really can walk in. I think we have quite a lot of unique features in our house. Other than the walk-in wardrobe and the petboard, we also have a rotatable TV console. So the TV can be shared between the living room and the dining room. So sometimes during dinner time, then we will watch TV, so we will turn the TV to the dining area. When we are done eating lunch or dinner, then we will switch and go over to the armchair area to watch the rest of the show. Now, Calvin's favorite part of the house would definitely be his computer desk. He actually DIY everything. So he bought 2 drawers and a tabletop to customize it. Sometimes when we buy furniture from outside, you might not like the top, you only like the bottom. Yeah, so he customized everything himself so that everything will be to his liking. My worry is actually fire, because we spend quite a lot on renovation and everything, right? So we don't want a big fire to burn everything down. So if there's a fire, right, I don't think we are able to carry anything that we like inside the house out, right? Because most of the things that we like are very big. For example, for me, it's the petboard, and for my husband, I think he would really wish that he can bring his whole gaming set out away from the fire, but obviously we can't do that, right? That's why we feel that insurance is really important. So for home content like renovation and furniture and appliances, we need to get additional home insurance to cover. Yeah, we are quite proud that because we have different design ideas for different part of the house, we are very happy that everything managed to gel out together, and the whole house looks very comfortable and homely overall, and we are happy to come home to our beautiful house every day.